Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Marta, and today I am going to review the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette, which, if you guys didn't know, Norvina is the creative director for Anastasia Beverly Hills and Anastasia's daughter. I've never met her in person, but she seems amazing, and she's a hard worker. You can tell she's a hard worker. But yes, she's the one that created this palette, Norvina, aka Claudia. The packaging is the same as all of their other packaging. It feels so smooth, and I love that it's purple. So this is it right here, and I obviously already have my eyes done. I swatched them all, and I do swatch them for you guys, so you guys will see my reaction, and I'll tell you, like, I'll just tell you right now, I love the formula. 7 shimmers, 7 mattes, although this one doesn't look like completely matte. I don't know what it is. But yes, this palette retails for $42, and I will put the launch dates somewhere on the screen and also in the description box in case you guys are interested. I'm super excited for you guys to watch the rest of this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this palette, and also, before you leave, give this video a big thumbs up and help me out in reaching 300 likes. With your help, we can do this. Give this video a thumbs up, and now let's get started. Alright, so as you can see, I already have my eyes primed. I do the same thing I always do. I use concealer instead of with a translucent powder. And now for the truth about the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette. Let me zoom out. I'm going to do some swatches for you guys. Much better. Ooh! So as you can see, well, I don't know if you guys can really see, but I have not touched any of these eyeshadows. So I'm going to show you swatches, not all of them, but just really quick so you guys can see. I'm gonna do this one since it's the one that caught my eye first. Feels very creamy. Oh my god, look. It's so pigmented. Look at that. The pigment. I mean, come on. Come on. Okay, let's do another one. It's very, very creamy. I want to do this one right here. Feels the same. Let's try this one right here. Oh my god. Last shimmery one. Look at that. This is what I do when I don't have any wipes. Just put it all over my hand. I'm going to swatch this matte one right here. Feels so smooth. I'm going to put it right here. Okay. Oh, not that bad. It's very pigmented. We'll see how it blends out, and it's so smooth. Now I'm going to do this one right here. Ooh. Such a pretty color. So I don't know if you guys can see, but this one didn't swatch as nicely, so we'll see if it blends out really nice, but this one did. We'll see now. Oh, and it does come, like all of their other palettes, it comes with a brush, and I actually use this one a lot. This one is so good to blend out eyeshadows. I still don't know what kind of look I'm gonna create. I'm just gonna wing it and see what I end up with. So I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Cosmetics crease brush, and I'm gonna go into this eyeshadow right here. So there's no fallout, which is, well, I mean, there's a little bit, but it's not that bad, so that's good. And I'm going to apply that right on my crease. So it looks like it's applying like any other eyeshadow. I'm just gonna try to blend that part out better. I'm just gonna get a little bit more of that same eyeshadow. I'm gonna go over on the edge of the eyeshadow and try to blend it out with the same brush. Now I'm going to use the brush that came in the palette, and I'm going to get this one right here. No fallout, that's good. And I'm going to put it right on the outer part, the outer corner. Oh my god, that's so pigmented. I'm just putting it right there, and then I'm going to like clean the brush back of my hand or on my arm, and then I'm going to start blending that out with the same brush. I'm going to add a little more of the same eyeshadow just to deepen up the color. And I'm so amazed. It's so easy to blend out. Now I'm going to take the Covergirl Concealer and put that on my eyelid right where I'm going to put the shimmery eyeshadow. That's just so it can stick on. And this is just to like clean up what's on my eyelid right there. To start like with a clean canvas. Right on the edge right here, I'm going to blend it out with my finger so I won't have a sharp line. But I do want to keep it sharp right on the crease right here. For the shimmery eyeshadow, I'm going to use this one right here. Dazzling, and I'm using the Anastasia A2 flat brush. Alright, so it's not that bad, but I'm gonna try wetting the brush because that does help a lot so the eyeshadows, or the shimmery eyeshadows, can stand out a lot. I'm gonna use the Pixi Makeup Fixing Mist and wet the brush. What the hell? So I did get more chunk of the glitter than last time. I don't know if you guys saw, but a few pieces fell off. And I'm gonna go back to this eyeshadow here and put that right on the outer corner, right on the same spot. And I'm gonna do that just to blend out or mix the shimmery. ¿Puedo cerrar la puerta, por favor? And I'm just doing this to blend out the line from the shimmery to the matte. Alright, so far, I am loving this palette. The shades, they're blendable, they're buildable. As you can see, I added more eyeshadow on this one so it can be a bit deeper. And it worked. So now I'm going to finish off this eye over here and my whole face, and I'll be back. Now that I already have my foundation and concealer and all that, I'm going to go back to my eyes and I'm going to do the lower lash line. I'm going to go into this eyeshadow right here. I'm using this small brush. This one's from Coastal Scents. And I'm going to do like a smoky lash line. Ugh, I can't get over how pigmented this eyeshadow is. You guys, I'm not exaggerating. I got a little more of that eyeshadow, and for this part right here, I'm just going to put it right on the corner to connect the eyeshadows. Oh, that's gorgeous. Give this video a thumbs up right now if you're liking this. I am loving it. I'm gonna wear these eyelashes from Icon. They are so beautiful. It's gonna be my very first time trying Icon eyelashes. The band does look a bit thick and those are very tricky to put on, but I bet they'll look gorgeous. They don't look so dramatic in the case. I'm so excited to try them. So I struggled to put the eyelashes on just because it was my first time using these, so it was kind of like hard. I didn't like bend it to like break it in, so that's my fault. But I mean, look how gorgeous they are. But anyways, now I'm going to put up mascara. Or no, actually I'm going to put this eyeliner. This is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. I'm going to put that on my waterline. Now for mascara, I'm going to put this one from Lancome. I'm not even going to try to pronounce the name of it. But I'm going to put this on my lower lashes. This was my third time using this mascara. And I love how it separates the eyelashes. It applies not a lot. It doesn't make them clumpy or anything like some mascaras, especially if you want to add another layer. It makes it so clumpy. Not with this one. Look at that. Woo! I want to add a pop of color to my inner corner, so I'm going to go with this one right here, which is called Celestial. I'm going to be using this Real Techniques Detailer brush, and I'm going to pop that right on my inner corner. I'm going to bring it up here just a little bit and then down here. So I really want the inner corner to stand out. That's why I'm spreading it out. I also got their new liquid glow in the box. I'm using this penny and I already applied it here, and look at how gorgeous that glows. I put some on my forehead, on my chin. It's just so pretty. They also sent this box with 5 of their new lip glosses, which, to be honest, they posted a picture with like swatching all of these, and they pretty much look the same. It's just a little bit, one's a little bit pinker, one's a little bit more gold and stuff like that. But I mean, they all look the same, so I'm just gonna go with this middle one right here. This one is Sunscape. I think that's, oh my god, I'm blind. Sunscape. I'm just going to put that. Let me just wipe my lips first. I don't think I've ever worn like a clear lip gloss alone. I always have like a pink or red or purple lipstick under. This one has like a gold and peach sparkles, and it doesn't look that bad. It looks really cute actually. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of this palette. Would you get it? Would you not? Like I said, I do love the formula. I love the colors and everything, but let me know what you think. I do know there's I actually wrote it down because I was like, okay, I'm gonna let them know so they can check it out. Hold on, I don't think I have it anymore, but there's a dupe for this palette palette. It's from Makeup Revolution. I don't know the name of the palette, but I will have it in the description box in case you guys want to try that one out. I haven't tried it out, so I don't know. The formula might be different. But I mean, if you want these eyeshadows, might as well just get this palette. It's so worth every penny. And no, this video is not sponsored. But anyways, I'm going to give shout outs today. And I do have them right here. Let me look for them. It's actually just one person, Jessica Garcia from Laredo, Texas. Thank you so much for your love and support. I love you. I send you so many loves and kisses. I meant to say hugs and kisses. All right, if you want a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is turn on your post notifications and let me know in the comments down below that you want a shout out, and also let me know where you're from. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.